Today I am telling you my daily routine. First, I wake up. Then I wash my face. After that, I brush my teeth. Then I eat my breakfast. After that, I take a shower. Then I get dressed. After that, I go to school. Then I back from school. After that, I eat my lunch. Then I go to play. After that, I back home again. And then I drink a cup of tea. Then I go to read. After that, I cook my dinner. Then I eat my dinner. After that, I watch TV. Then I go to bed. Then finally I sleep.